Sagutin mo, Bam. Ayan. Ang bake base po ba? Sabi niya.
What? Ang bake base po ba? What?
Eat it.
Where?
Ayun.
Pwede sa guys yung...
Wala masyadong ice.
Oo, pwede up sa guys.
Pwede naman po. Why not? Makeup is for everyone, honestly. Walang rules. Gusto mo mag-blush, okay lang din.
Is that allowed?
Which one? That's tennis.
Yeah, mommy, you know what he's doing? He gets the badminton, he throws it up, and it doesn't go near me. And then he uses the racket to push it back to me. It's tennis na boom.
I don't know how to play badminton.
I will enroll you in badminton lessons then.
No!
You know, let's do pickleball. Pickleball is fun. Pickleball is like table tennis and tennis in one, but it's easier.
Hindi pa pwede yun. I think it's pwede. Badminton.
Hindi pwede yun.
Like serve.
Hindi ganun mag-serve sa badminton.
Yeah, I know. Mommy doesn't know how to serve. Whenever I serve,
Yeah, she's still learning.
Whenever I serve, she scores with a smash. So I don't want to serve anymore. And then
Kasi smash is all she knows.
okay. So I did a mistake serving. It went to the side. So I hit it like this. Is that allowed?
I'm not sure. Kawawa naman si Olili.
You got a button? He's looking at me so weird.
Looks like a shadow.
What?
Stiletto. Pwedeng velveteen in midnight petal.
Where did you get your earrings?
Or crushed rose.
Where did you get your earrings?
Which one? I don't know. I forgot.
What?
Shh, stop shouting.
What do you mean?
Bam! Bam, we're gonna go na. You have to dress up. We're gonna watch theater, girl.
Ay, oo nga ni. Nandyan pa ba mga golden retrievers niyo? We only have one golden retriever. But one golden doodle. And one poodle.
Ay, shit, I love chewing ice.
I got my head stuck in.
Girl, marigo ka na and dress up. Look at me, I'm ready na. We leave at like 2:30.
So then
Mommy.
did you leave me out there to badminton?
Yeah, shower
Wait, what's
quickly.
your POV on Jen Oliveira? Who's and
I
who
don't
is
wanna answer that.
Why? Who is that?
I don't wanna answer that.
Who is that?
Mamaya, I will tell you.
Lagi ka mamaya na mamaya. Di mo pa sinabi sa akin.
Ayaw kong sagutin.
Yung piece of parcel.
Sinabi ko na yung piso parcel kagabi.
So brief.
At 1 a.m. That's basically the gist of it.
I want more.
Mamaya.
Why is it only now I'm hearing?
They're gonna use my words against me. Yeah, huwag niyo ako sinasabi sa mga ganyan-ganyan niya.
Have you read the Jasad hair duology? Jasad.
No, not yet. Ang title yun?
What's meant today? Why the dress up?
Sino yun? Sino yung nag-comment?
I don't know. I didn't look at the name.
Si Tita Casey.
Oh.
Is it Tita Casey or Ate Casey?
They're different.
Who?
Tita Casey and Ate Casey.
No. How do you call her ba?
Tita Casey.
Tita Casey. Manunod kami ng Cinderella. Abay, Ipakita mo sa akin, girl. Hindi kita nakikita. Namimili siya ang damit niya. Gusto ko ng dessert.
Ube.
Ube na naman.
Mikmik. Mango graham.
May mango graham?
Yeah, nanay made.
Yeah, I want.
Miss
I
Nina, the
want.
correct base is so patchy on me and doesn't cover my dark circles kahit anong method I do.
Is your skin dry? For any reason? Bigyan mo na ako ng isang slice. Wow! Look at Nanay's mango graham! Oo nga, masarap to. May cheese.
My skin is oily, Miss Nina. The one that said the correct base.
Correct base is patchy on you? And you have oily skin? How do you apply it? And how much do you apply? May lashes. Clusters lang yan, sister. Kailangan ng kalso ng lamesa. Okay. Can you pick something that's bright as this? Like a yellow?
I don't have.
Mommy,
The yellow one is
Masikip na?
Pikachu.
Ah. Like a
Ay.
blue.
Ay.
Basta bright color.
I don't have bright color.
Ah.
ay,
Nasa labahan.
Wait lang. Isa-isa lang.
So this shirt.
Ah. Okay. That shirt. And then- That's your favorite shirt, no?
Maybe.
Ah, I don't like that.
This shirt.
I don't like that.
So this shirt.
Mommy, advice for the girlies that currently struggling because of acne.
Best talaga to get the guidance of a dermatologist. Kasi they know what they're doing talaga. Para mabigyan na lang kayo ng medication.
Ako din gusto ko na yun.
Share lang tayo. Kuha ka ng tinidor mo.
Okay, so mommy, this.
Yan na lang gamitin ko.
Gusto, ito sir.
Mommy, this shirt.
Okay. That one.
This.
Kisama ka man ba? Nanay, alam mo, yung ulam natin ang daming buhok. Yung chop suey may buhok. Kahapon, kumain ako ng chicken and mushroom, may buhok din. Sister.
This one.
Ikaw din ko.
Hindi, yung brown.
Manunod kay malamig, girl.
Hindi masyado malamig doon.
What?
Hindi masyado malamig doon. Pero dadalhin ko yung balabal ko just to be sure.
Ikaw, Bom, yan na yan.
balabal, Bam.
Electric one.
Yung mga nagsasabi ng piso parcel, ayaw ni Mami sabihin.
It's a partial.
Maligo ka muna ba?
Why? Huy, hingi!
Nanay, kadiri daw kapag may hair. O, ire-report kita.
Nay! Gusto mo din!
Hello, Miss Nina.
Maligo ka muna,
Ay.
girl.
Hi, hello, Miss Nina. Baka you have job vacancy. Thank you.
Hindi kasama si Boom.
This is what with the shirt.
Girl, maligo ka na. We leave in 20 minutes.
Yeah, mommy, but I take a shower in 15 minutes.
Miss Nina, what
Shower
are
ka
you
na muna,
eating?
And then you can eat.
Mango graham.
Sige na. I don't wanna be late there.
Mommy, I go 15 minutes.
Kaya nga, maligo ka na nga. Nakakakumain. Para at least ready to go na tayo. Magbubuk na ako nun.
I go 15 minutes.
Mom, you're
Nantain.
over-exaggerating.
Bro, I go 15 minutes if it's hot.
If you're under 15 minutes, I will...
I go there.
Girl, iakyat mo yung damit mo. Ano to? Bababa ka dito na nakahubad ka? Girl. Iiwan ka na, tinan mo.
Or this one, mommy, second. Okay. Okay, just let me finish. So that I
Yan, I like that one.
Or, wait.
Boom, don't be noisy.
No, it's supposed I can slice it off.
Ilagay mo muna sa rep na para maligo muna siya.
Or this one.
Honestly, whatever you want. I prefer the brown one, but if you like the white one, that's up to you.
Sa mga nag-aas ng restock ng Sardine at Arms, hopefully by the end of this month or before.
Ang brainy daw ng mga anak ko. Sige nga, tanongin nyo nga ng question. Tingnan natin kung brainy siya.
No, I'm not.
Tanongin nyo ng question.
I'm not.
Spell enthusiasm.
Why? Why? I can.
Spell rendezvous.
Rendezvous.
Mali.
Yes.
May Z kasi yun. Rendezvous, Z yung dulo. Hindi ba?
Z yung dulo?
Oo.
Oh yeah, Z and the S. Yeah, sa dulo.
Ay, wala.
diba?
Hindi ka
My bad,
brainy.
my bad. I can
Ay, hindi. Rendezvous. Para marilin ako.
Oh, dalawa tayo.
How is the Big Bang formed daw?
I don't know.
Na para bang ikaw si... Ang dumi daw ng kuko mo.
Oo,
Ay,
kaya
kadi.
ako.
Tapos tinakamay mo yung...
It's from the rubber in football.
Can you clean your nails? Disgusting. Oh my God. So, I've been riding angkas. Parang 2 days ako nag-aangkas. First time ko mag-angkas sa Pilipinas. So, nag-aangkas naman ako pag nasa Bali ako, ganon. Or nasa Vietnam, ganyan. Pero first time ko mag-angkas dito. Takot kasi ako mag-angkas dito. Anyway, sabi ko, you know what? Their son, I'm gonna try it. Mag-angkas ako. Para pala siyang workout, mga sister, no? Lalo na kapag walang box sa likod. Kasi, yung isang nasakyan ko, wala pang hawakan. Wala nang box, wala pang hawakan. So, doon ako sa likod, sabi ko, Kuya, saan ako hahawak? Kuya. Dapat yung core mo engaged pala siya, no? Your core is engaged, and then your thighs are squeezed. Otherwise, I'm a goner. Like, I'm gone. Tapos,
You like the ones with the box in the likod?
yeah, kasi
So you will lay down?
yeah, I don't really lay
Yeah.
down, but there's like a harang, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Masaya naman. Masaya naman. Pero nakakatakot pag singit ng singit. Tapos ito pa, nasa EDSA kami. Di ba? Nasa EDSA kami. Tapos di ba sa EDSA, di ba may bike lane? Di ba? Tapos,
Punta sila sa bike lane.
hindi lang yon. May bike lane. Yung bike lane, di ba may mga bloke-blokeng ganon sa daan? Tell me if you know. Di ba may mga bloke-bloke maliliit na ganon?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Si Kuya, singit siya ng singit doon. So, may kotse doon. Singit siya ng singit between the bloke and the cars, whatever. Aba, tinansya niya yung sarili niya. Yung sarili niya, tinansya niya. Na hindi siya tumama doon sa bloke. Pero yung paa ko, hindi niya tinansya. Samantala yung paa ko, hindi nakalabas. Yung paa ko nakapasok kasi nga, marunong naman ako magmoto. Tumama yung paa ko doon sa bloke. Sister, nasaktan ako. Tapos syempre nung bumaba ako, sabi ko sa kanya, Kuya naman, hindi mo ko tinansya kanina. Sabi ko, tumama yung paa ko doon sa bloke. Nasaktan ako. Nag-sorry naman siya, pero 3 stars ka tuloy sa akin. Huwag niyo ako tinatanong about sa mga issue-issue na yan. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako sasagot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Miss Nina, can you show the mini bake base?
Ayoko nasa taas.
Ako nakuha.
Nasa attic.
Saan?
Nasa attic nga.
Saan nga?
Nasa lamesa ko. Ganyan ang orange. Kunin mo yung malaki na bake base tsaka yung maliit na bake base. Dali. You should be able to figure that one out.
Okay.
Dali. Yung bahay kasi namin, 3 floor. Nakakapagod kasi umakyat dun sa taas. Dun sa attic kasi, dun ako nag-film. Pagdating mo dun, hinihingal ka na. Maganda yung Cersei. This one is maganda at malakas. Bye-bye. I do R&D every day. Like, R&D is part of my life. The bubbler base is so nice. May lashes, sis. Doro Lab. Yeah, ang bilis lumaki ng mga anak ko. That's true. Ang bilis umunot ng hair ko. Kanina kulot to. Ngayon unat na naman siya. Sobrang bagsak kasi ng hair ko. Like straight talaga siya. Bukre ko, Poppy War. Basahin mo. I just finished it. Nakita mo?
Yeah.
The big and the small? Gracias.
Don't show the back.
Ito yata yung sira.
Yeah.
Ito yung prototype. Ay, mali. Mali yung kinuha mo. Hindi ito.
It's the biggest one.
Yeah, this is the prototype, oh. This is not the one that's approved.
I can't see it.
Ganito din itsura. But when you open it, there's no tray.
Like there's boxes.
No, it's just there.
Like, no, like there's a box of it.
Huh?
There's a box of it. How many do you have those? How many of those do you have?
I have a lot.
Then it's that box. Then it's that box.
Basta Baked Beast yung pangalan.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Show the mini big face first.
Yeah, ito yung mini Baked Beast. This is the mini Baked Beast. So, ay, nabuksan na rin. Saan ba ito kinuha? Kuha ka rin ng bagong mini. Yung magulo kung ano yung, ito yung mini. So, sifter siya inside, it comes with a puff. The one with the mirror is the full size. But the mini doesn't have. To temper expectations, the grammage is not a lot. It's not a lot. The formula is really expensive. But you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. So the full size is below 700. And then the mini is below 400. Third base is not cakey. Nanay, pa ako ng tissue. Thank you. Matamis yung mango graham. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang natatawisan. Hindi mo nakita? O wag na. Hindi niya daw makita, guys.
It's not beside it.
Where did you get this ba?
Huh?
Where did you get it?
Where the mini big face was.
Yeah, both of them are wrong nga eh. Where did you get them?
Huh?
Where did you get them? Sa likod? Sa background? Or sa table? Where did you get them?
So background.
Because that's not it.
It's a table. It's on the table.
Yeah.
What?
Wala, di yan makuha. Tsaka na.
Ako
Sa live
makuha.
ko na lang. Punta lang kayo sa live ko, August 27. Yan mo na, it's okay.
Hindi, I'll get it. It's fine.
No, it's okay. I don't want to.
Same day, i-release yung... I didn't see ang dami nagko-comment.
Na para bang moderator ka.
Same day, i-release yung mini big base at big base.
Yes.
How's the pop you are po?
Good luck.
No, like, Miss Nina, how's the pop you are po?
Hindi nga, good luck nga.
Good luck nga. Why?
Good luck. Basta. Good luck.
Miss Nina, why change yung shade ni Juju?
Hindi naman nag-change si Juju.
Doon sa old color.
Aba, 2:30 na nga. Asa na si Kelsey?
2:30 na, late na kayo.
And it makes me wonder.
Lahat nag-aas ng grams for
Ay,
baked base.
saka ko na yung sasagutin
Ayaw.
para panoorin nila yung video ko. Hindi ko yan sasabihin dito. Abangan nyo yung video.
Para sa lahat nagsasabi ng...
Mag-hi ka kay
Sergeant-
Donnie.
What?
Mag-hi ka kay Donnie. Kilala mo si Donnie?
No.
You don't know Donnie?
No, ito to. No.
Ha? Donnie, like he used to be part of Colorette. Donnie, hindi ka kilala ni Donnie, Boom?
I've
Ay, di
heard
ka-
of him.
Diba?
Hindi na sabi.
You will meet Donnie. He said he's gonna cook here sa house. So, Hoy, Boom, kilala mo ako. Oh, sabi ni Donnie. Kilala mo yan pag pinakita ko yung picture sa'yo mamaya.
Yung nagsasabi ng restock ng Sergeant at Arms, hopefully by the end of this month. Marami nag-comment kasi. 2:30 na late na kayo, tagal ni Bam.
Sabi niya, 15 minutes lang siya maligo.
Bam! Bilisan mo!
Hoy, don't shout.
Why?
Nag-usap tayo sa bahay mo, Boom. Maniwala ka sa akin. Pickleball. Yayain mo nga mag-pickleball. Turuan mo mag-pickleball. Sporty naman siya. He will figure it out. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, I think you will like pickleball.
As who as a student, it's pricey.
Every double digit may sale naman, girl. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Lahat ng mga ganun.
4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6,
Oh, may hanggang 12, 12 ka pa, sister.
8, 8, 9, 9.
9, 9 yung susunod niyan.
11, 11. 12, 12, 13.
Siyempre, walang 13.
I know.
Ang daldal mo daw.
Wait for me in 2 years when I graduate med, documenting my duty using call for 2
Good
years.
luck.
Bisina, why is there no peach shade for third and baked base?
Wala masyadong bumibili. Yung yellow nga, wala masyadong bumibili. Gusto na mga Pinoy, puro pink, puro cool. Which, honestly, I'm a yellow girl. Me too. I love yellow baked base and yellow third base. Mas yellow ako. Yeah.
Haha, sabay yellow top.
I like the color yellow.
Miss Dina, aside from influencers, may napili ka na to test baked base?
Yung sa content ko, yeah, we will get in touch with some of them.
Aside from influencers.
Yeah, they're not influencers. Like, they're normal people.
Nakalabas na po sa market sa Morena and acidic po. Kasi ako
Kailangan ko ng jelly kiss.
Nakahanap what?
Yes, TikTok lang. TikTok lang sa 27, guys.
Why do they call TikTok black app?
Kasi black yung icon, I guess. Boom, pag yan
So
tumawag
what's
sa
the
race-
blue app? What's the orange app?
Shopee. Sis, date na tayo. Can I what?
You said we
Ang
leave
sikip na sister.
You said we leave the 30.
Mommy,
Ayan, zipper mo.
Mommy, what are your qualifications for non-influencers?
I can
What are your qualifications for non-influencers?
For what?
Non-influencers for what? Testing?
Ayan. Girl, magtuyo ka ng buhok mo. Nanay, blow dry mo nga to. Basang-basa yung hair niya.
How about if 100 plus lang followers, can we have sample for baked base?
Only if you make really good content. We look at your content eh. Kasi diba, I want you to test it. If walang laman yung profile mo, then you cannot test it. Kasi parang how would I know? I don't really look at the number of followers. I look at more of your lifestyle. Parang, what do you do? Are you a student? Do you film makeup videos?
May nag-ask, why boom po? I'm just reading the comments. If acidic po sa yellow, hindi po nangingitim.
Lahat ng tao acidic. we're not alkaline people. So we're all leaning acidic. So something darkening is a function of the formula and not of your skin.
Do you still use Ozempic and do you recommend it?
I won't answer that question.
How much is the baked base po? On below
Para bang korte?
700.
Ano?
Below 700. Baked base.
Ba't daw boom ang tawag ko sa'yo?
I don't know.
Because I think he can't. Because I think he can't. When he was a baby, he could pronounce vroom vroom, and he was like boom boom.
Ay, tanggalin mo na nga yan.
Ubos na. May ginagawa kang book club?
Nasa Fable. Nina's Nook ang pangalan. Like the name that I put on my reviews.
Hi, Miss Nina. It seems like La Union is too warm on me.
Get El Nido.
Well, whether I'm deciding whether I get Donsol or El Nido.
Parang nasa hearing na.
Thoughts? What's Philippine Christian University?
I don't know. Wala akong thoughts. Thoughts and prayers.
Possible po ba bumalik yung dating formula ng color tints?
No, we left that behind already. We innovated na.
Halika ba?
Oh, yun. Mag-blow dry ka, sister. Magbubook na ako. Alis na kami, guys. Bye. Malilate kami. We have theater. We're gonna watch Cinderella. Bye!